This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning, and welcome to session number 9. So, definitely, I will cover the missing two sessions. Thursday and Friday, I didn't take any session. That session I will cover on Saturdays. But before that one, I will inform to you before taking the session on Saturdays. I will inform to you. Please keep on mute, sir. Again, I'm getting some voice. If it is required, you can unmute and we can speak here. So the next concept is after the. Please remember one thing. As of now, we are completed into data type float, boolean, and complex, and just completed str. I didn't use any function dir with either class name or object name. I mean, object means I didn't use any int of dir, float of dir, or into object, or float object, or boolean object. I didn't use a dir function as of now. As of now, I didn't use anything here. So definitely, again, we have to come from the beginning. dir, what is the inside of the class? Yes, everything is object in the Python. Everything is object in the Python. Everything is object in the Python. And objects are associated with the classes. Fine. Now the next one today, I am going to introduce to you sequential data types formula. First four are fundamental data types. These four are fundamental or standard or basic data types. Now we are talking about the sequential order, sequential data types we are talking. In that area, str we are completed, and str we know how to create it with single line, multi-line, right? So then when the length function is working, where is a big story came? That is a what is the index, slicing, and item assignment, and finally you can conclude mutable or immutable. These four we can give that answer. Today I am going to see one more sequential data type, range. So this range data type object, I mean range class object, we cannot create it directly. Like a equals to 10, a equals to 10 if you are assigning. And another way also there you can create the integer that is with int function. Int function also there. So there are two ways are there to create a integer here. You can see there is a two ways are there. With a equal to 10 and a equal to 1 with the help of the int function. Both are valid, no doubt. Both are valid and both will work. And even float also, yes. For example, yes, one more time I'm writing a equals to 10 and a equals to int of int, that's the default value equals to 0. And boolean also, otherwise practically you can see this one. Yes, what are the default loaded elements? Right? And see, I am taking b equals to float p value 0.0. And another way also there, c equals to 3.14, 3.14, or d equals to 0.0. Yes, if you type what is the c and d, both are floats. A function concept is there now, second one. Even boolean data type is there, a equals to true, type of a equals to boolean, type of a by default value. See, by default value of boolean function is false. Yes, nothing. Inside of this is nothing. Nothing means inside of this bracket is nothing. And str also you can create it a equal to str function and type of a and a empty. Length of a 0. Length of a 0. Nothing is there. So your range function, range object like a, we cannot create it directly. So we can create, see, important point. First time we are writing this word, range object we can create with only with the range function only. Sequential data type. And one more word, okay, first we have to check length is working or not. How can we use the length range function? How can we use the range function? Range is just to generate the numbers only, sir. We can use in three ways this range function. Range of, if you are giving 5, some value you have to provide. So which is nothing but a list output you will get, list based output you are going to get, list based output. What is the list you don't know? But remember square brackets are available. List based output, but always the syntax is range end. This is a mandatory element. So three ways are there. One of the way range 5. So end minus 1 will be included, end will be excluded. Similar to your slicing included. So range of 5 means the values generally start from 0, 1 to 3. 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4 only, which will come in the one bracket. Even this bracket also not required at this point. When we know the list, we can enjoy with that one. So to print this one, you have to test it really. If I write if I write range of 5, length is working, then you can use that 4 options and you can use the for loop also. And one extra point I will add today in this session. So how many ways we can create it? First of all, this is a one. And second way also there. Range of second one. Start and end. Second syntax. Range of 4 comma 10. So 4 comma 5 comma 6, 7, 8 and 9. End will be excluded. Always here it will go to the by default forward direction. It is a second syntax. You can observe this is a second syntax. And one more syntax also, sequential numbers. Sequential numbers it will generate. Next one is third syntax is range of start end step. Example is range 5, 10, 1. By default value this is. I mean start from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 will be excluded. Step is number 1 na? Step is number 1. Step is number 1. Yes, absolutely you can test it. Yes, yeah, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, forward direction. Yes, so forward direction means end minus 1. End minus 1, 10 minus 1, 10 minus 1. Forward direction means 10 minus 1, 10 minus 1, 9. If it is a backward direction, you have to check the number 5, 10. 5 after only 10 you are not getting. Absolutely correct. It will work. But any point, if you want to understand this one practically, if you want to print them on the screen, or if you want to test these 4 conditions, which 4 condition? If length is working, definitely we can raise 4 questions. When length is working, we can raise the 4 questions. First one is index is working and slicing is working and item assignment. Finally decide which is mutable or immutable. These 4 questions we are going to see. First, we will create one list object directly we cannot create it. With help of the range function, we can create the range object, right? So first see, I'm going to create k equals to, see, k equals to range of 5. Print k, print k. See, 0 comma 5 it is printing. 0 comma 5 it is printing. Yes. First I can I use length of k? Absolutely it is working, sir. Length is working. Yes, length is working means blindly you can use the for loop. I mean, so I'm writing for I in range of 5. Space indentation operator, enter key, printer. Which one I can use temporary variable? Here, which is a temporary variable? Every time one value will be loaded, which one?
Okay.
I.
I. So already we discussed this syntax in the previous session, and again I will explain to you. So this will generate 0, 1, 2, starting from you are only providing end. 0 to 4 will come. I mean total 5. Length is 5. First time 0 will be loaded here, and space indentation operator under for loop only one statement is there. The one statement will execute 0, next to 1, next to 2, next to 3, like 4, one by one it will come and it will print. See, if I save this script, program, as of now you can call program. When I explain the execution style of the Python, then you can call it, it is program or script, you can decide it after some time. Okay, let's save this one. I'm just providing range 0, 1 and press F5 or come to the run button, run module. See, the program name loaded, everything again loaded, sir. Your previous variable will not work. Restarted again that one, and 0 to 4 it is printing. You can print your required string also. The value is, see, comma area you will get the space. The value is 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. Even here if I write 2 comma 5 or 2 comma 10, start and end I am providing and executing. Start and end minus 1. By default forward direction. Forward direction. Next, if I provide 2, will it work? What is the plus 2? This 2 means what is the meaning? Forward direction or reverse direction?
Forward direction.
Forward direction step.
Step 2. Step forward direction means what should I subtract from the end number?
2
No, no,
minus
no.
1.
Minus
Minus
1.
Minus
one.
No, the
1.
step is any number. Step don't. That is a big mistake we will do. Step is any
8.
number. Direction is positive, minus 1, negative, backward, minus 1.
No.
Step number 2 or 3, anything. So up to this area only. I mean 10 minus 1. Start from 2. Is it correct values?
Yes.
That's all.
Start from 2
Yes.
and length minus 1, step 2.
But
2
sir,
courses.
how the value do we main this variable I? How it value come for I?
Yes. So is it iterable of length is working with here?
Yes.
Yes.
Length is working here. So what will happen every time one value will be loaded. Even to understand this one, yes, for your question, actually to understand detail, we need to do the debugging. Just a simple example I will give to you. Just hold on. Okay, let me do one thing. For I in range of 2 comma 10, print value is I. Okay, I will explain to you other editors in upcoming days, but just understanding purpose. See how the execution is working. Range 2 to 10 means totally 2 to 9 it will generate. 2 to 9 it will generate. 2 to 9. Now run the program. We are using Python IDE. We are going to see 4 to 5 editors, including VI editor in the Linux. It is loading. So how the execution will work? So range 2 to 10 means it will generate 2 to 9 numbers. Total 2 to 9. One sequential order. 2 to 9 it will generate. 2 to 9. 2 to 9 it will generate. Unable to load. No problem. It will come. Wait. I am waiting for one symbol. Debugging mode.
Sir, how the value is stored for I? Uh,
Wait, wait. I'm
It's
practical. Wait, wait, wait. I'm going to explain to you with practical.
okay.
One second. Just close it. So how this execution is going to work? That one I'm trying to explain to you. When we save with extension, then the related modules will be loaded. Save this one with some name. When I run this program, when no output on the screen, I'm getting some output. How this is going to work? That is the next question. Some output I'm getting. Just hold on. At time of debugging time, how to troubleshoot and how to analyze a script. If you want to identify some errors, how to do this one troubleshooting point. See. So as of now, I am using only one editor, that is a Python IDLE one only. I'm not using other editors. I should get one option, sir. That's why I'm waiting. Yes, now see. How this is working? Just close lecture. Every time it is coming, first line, second line is coming or not? Just close lecture when I'm using the arrow buttons. So generally, simple thing only, there is not a big thing. If you use for of x in range of 5, print x, in the right side is iterable object or not? Iterable object means length function is work or not? If I ask this one, length function is work or not? How many values are
Four.
loaded here? More than one? More than one?
4.
4. So every time one value will be loaded to here. Every time one value will be loaded. Here total 0, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. First iteration time, 0 will be loaded into the x variable. That with x you can use it. The x is nothing but temporary variable. At any point, it can store one value, one value, one value. Next time 1, next time 2, next time 3, like that. How many iterations? How many times print function will work generally? How many times? How many cyclics it will take? How many cyclics
Five,
it will take? 5.
five, five.
So every time one value will load.
Length minus
No. I am asking how many iterations?
one.
Starting
0
from
to
0.
0
Values
to
are
4.
0 to 4. 0 to 4. But how many iterations?
5 iterations.
5
It
iteration.
will be
5.
5. No doubt. It will be 5. Yes. Some tricky questions we will see, sir, from this one. Okay. I am writing here. You are expert in the slicing area. That's why I'm asking. What is the output you are going to get? What is the direction?
Forward.
Forward, forward.
Forward. Forward. So forward means starting here and ending should be right side of the starting number. Starting this one, ending should be right side. Right. So starting is 10. Ending is in that right side flow of the 10.
No.
No
Now what is your expected output?
possible. Not no output.
No output. Will it work? I mean, will it execute? Script
No,
will work or
no.
definitely it will work, but
Only
empty result.
short value. Okay.
Yes, empty result. Okay, I will write here 15. Will it work now? Just I'm changing the end
It will work.
value.
Yeah.
Yes, up to 14.
Yeah.
If I write
It
here
will work.
3, will it work?
It will work.
Okay. What is the starting? 10. What is the ending number?
10, 13,
End number?
13.
End number? No. My question is, what is the end number generally?
14.
14.
14.
15 minus 1.
14. Only one forward direction. So 11, 12, 13, 14. So 3 steps. From here, there is no other value now, only 10 and 13. These
30.
two are the values. Yes. Even if you want to test what are the all valid answers, yes, you can write one. You will get a clarity. But here, sir, if I am writing step 3, you should not write minus 3. Any step, 3 or 2. Forward minus 1, backward plus 1. Simple. Only simple answer. Yes. Now, greater than, less than future, definitely here it will work. Okay. If I write in this way, will it work or not? Just give that answer. Take it
Yes,
one
sir.
only, one. Will it work?
It will work.
-4, -10. Yes,
Okay.
Minus
Generally,
it
in
will
this way,
work.
will it work? In this way, this one will work, yellow color one will work.
yellow color will work. Yeah. It
No.
works.
I mean, small number, big number, forward direction is working. Okay. -4, -10, which is small. I'm very clearly writing forward
Minus
direction.
10
Min
is
minus 4 is big.
minus 10 is
-4 is a bigger number than -10. -4 on the number line, if you take 0, -1, -2, somewhere you have a -4, somewhere you will get a -10. For example, I have one question. 2, 3, which is the biggest one? 3.
3.
Right
3
side.
is biggest one.
-4, -10, which is the biggest one?
-3 is biggest one.
-4.
-4 is the biggest one, which is right side. That is the one. Now tell me how this will work. How this will work?
That will not work. It will print empty.
Not no work,
Empty
no
one
work because
is small. Empty. Okay. Now will it work? If works, what is the end number I am asking? Okay, definitely it will work. -4, reverse direction. Somewhere you have a -10. Now my question is, what is the end number?
+1.
9
What should I
-10
do?
plus
+1.
mine
11.
-9.
11, sir.
No. Sir, why you are doing -1? It's a reverse direction, no? Forward direction only you have to do the -1. It's a reverse direction. It's a forward
-10 plus
direction.
1.
-9.
Is it -9?
Yeah.
No,
-3.
yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. It
-3.
will be minus
-9.
9.
-9.
No.
Yes. Even more informative in this way. So mathematically, if you are unable to get up to -10 and you started from -4, end number always will be excluded. So before number will become, this will be excluded. -1 +1, if you are getting the confusion, on the number line you have to think. Sir, it is a forward direction +1 to end. It's a reverse direction. Any step, end, sorry, here minus, here +1. Reverse direction means you have to do the +1. So it is nothing but -9. Forward means minus, backward means +1. +1.
Sir, I have one more doubt, sir, here. How the
Yes,
numbers
sir.
will paint, sir? Right to left, sir, or left to right, sir, here, in
That
backward
is
direction?
depends on the step. For example, you are writing only 4. Which direction? Forward. Only you are writing end. Good question, sir. 1 second. Sir, if I am not defining anything, range of 4, which direction? This is a
forward.
only end. Only end means start default value is 0, end on the screen. Step default number is a 1. If
It
you are
is
not
forward.
providing, by default forward only. By default it's a forward. If you are not providing the start, 0. If you are not providing the step, that is a +1. 1 means +1. And end always will be forward means -1. -1. I mean 0. -1. 4 -1 is a 3. Step 1. 0, 1, 2, 3. Even what is the second scenario? Range of 4, 10. So actually, what is the full syntax? 4, 10 +1 only originally. They are not defining. If they are not defining the start and step, they are not defining these two. What is a by default direction? That is a forward. So generally, to create the sequence numbers, this is the best practice.
How?
See, let's take one more program. I want to generate all even numbers, sir. I want to print 200 to 400 numbers. I want to print. I mean, even numbers 200, 300, sorry, 202, 203, sorry, 204, 206. These numbers I want to print it. Now tell me. Okay, is there any doubt in this area? I mean, for loop is very clear. For loop is very clear.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So every iteration I am printing 3 values, 3 statements, sir. Now tell me, I want to print 200 to every time 2 increase. Start from 200, end at 400, every time +2.
200, 400,
200, 400, 2.
Wrong answer. It is wrong answer. Will it print 400? Just give me one conclusion.
No.
No, 400 minus 1, right?
400 -1. So can I write 401?
Yes.
No, 400.
Yes.
Yes. First time 200 will come in this one. Not only 200, 201, 200, sorry, 200, 2, 4, 6, 8. 200 will be loaded into X. First, this design will come. It will print a 200 over. Next time, one more time, one more line will come, 202, this one. So every time this approach will work. See, if I save this script, then maximum everyone good at forward direction. Problem with the reverse direction. Okay, it is not working. Only symbols are coming. What is the reason? You are not writing X. X we are missing. It is working. It is working. It is printing. Even one more thing, I want to print 1 to 10 numbers. 1 to 10 I want to print it. Simply 1 to 10. Very clearly I am asking 1 to 10 numbers I want to print it. You can take X or I, anything. What should I write here? Tell me,
1,
sir.
11, 1. 1, 11, and 1.
1, 11, comma 1. 1 is not mandatory. Leave it. I mean, by default, it is a 1 only. Na? By default, it is 1 only. Na? Next one, I am printing. I am here. If I want to multiply, say I am printing one statement. See, print in double quotes. I am writing something. Or 5 into I is equals to 5 into I am writing. Just 5 into I. 5 into I am writing. 5 into I. It means every time I value is multiplied by
5.
5. Well, is it correct, sir?
Yeah.
5 table.
5 tuple. Simple. Even there is a one function is there. You know, I am introducing one first time. Input is a one function. What is this one? To take the runtime input. Is there any idea in the C language printf? No, even though if you don't have any idea, leave it.
Scanf.
Scanf. Yes, yes. Is there any idea about the scanf? Just if you have the idea, just I'm not asking to you. It should is mandatory. You have to learn this. No, I'm simply asking if you have any idea about the scanf. Nothing but runtime inputs, execution time. Here also input function is there. It will waiting for something. The input you can write, you can provide anything it will take in the form of string. Even one more logic, you can write any string, enter any number, input some number. Say same prompt you are getting on the screen, you can print it. Can I store this value into one variable in this way? Is it acceptable? First, the right side expression will execute. Equal operators are those who are not, this is not a programming approach. I'm single function I'm explaining. See how this will execute, just to give me a clarity. How this will execute? What is the A value will be loaded? 5 plus 4. What is the A
9.
value will be loaded? 9. How this is working, sir? How this is working? First, this is evaluating.
Then
The printing result is storing here. Am I right?
Yes.
Here also, first it will execute. What it will do? It will take one input. It will prompt. It will prompt. And see 25. For example, okay, one more time. Only I'm writing input, enter a number. I'm writing anything. You can write anything here. You can write anything. Same thing it will print. If I'm providing 20, one line input only. If I'm providing 20, if I press the enter key, see very carefully. What is doing? What is the action again it is performing? What is the
20.
action it is performing? Returning something.
String. String.
Returning
String.
something. Excellent, sir. Returning something in the form of string. Returning something in the form of string. But I am expecting a number. What should I do?
Into we have to mention.
Int
We
function.
can change
Excellent.
it.
Is it okay? This is fine. I'm writing. Okay, that day we used this approach. String. Now 25 came or not? String 25 if I am providing. Number 25 came or not?
It
Yeah.
came.
Am I right? Yes.
Hmm?
Same
Yeah.
way, yes, same way, inside of this one, you can write anything, enter a number. First, inside will execute. If I am providing something that is printing in the form of number or not, difference is there comparing year to year.
Yes, yeah.
Yes,
So
quotations.
whatever, yes, yes, whatever quotations are missing, excellent. So whatever the printing second time, if whatever I am providing, it is taking one line. If I press the enter key, same thing it is printing. But my intention is I want to cache this value into one variable. Will it work?
It will work.
Yeah.
Yes, it will store into X.
Yes. Print of X. Everyone, is it clear how I am taking the integer input? By default, int will take. Okay, tell me into function how you are going to work. See, input function, nothing is mandatory. Some value is there. Read a string standard input, nothing but mouse and keyboard. Excellent, no? One more time. See, if I'm providing some number, the same thing will be stored here. What is the type of X? And try to see without int. Without int, what is the data type?
String.
String.
Without int, string. That is the difference. And with the into function, see. So first, I'm taking one input at runtime. Then after, I'm doing the type casting. Same thing I will perform here, sir. So here, I'm asking X equals to our table number. Table equals to int of input of enter the table number multiplication, right? Next one, see line number 2, 4 are same level lines, same age lines, but line number 4 is a child part of line number 3. Line number 3 is a statement block. Line number 4. 4 is a statement block of 3. But 2 and 3 are same level. Right. So I want to print, for example, user is providing number 10, sir. 10 table I want to print. How I want to print? So my requirement is in this way. 10 ones are 10. Like this one I want to print.
Line number 2 parenthesis is missing. If you see.
Yes, sir, you are correct. One second. In this way, up to in this way I want to print it, sir. That is my requirement. So generally with the range function, I am generating these 1 to 10 numbers. This 10 is anything. User can provide any value at runtime. We are taking today 10. Maybe user can provide any number. User may provide any number. Yes. So now tell me how to replace here. Now today is 10 is there. Maybe next time that number is different. Again I want to print the 15. Maybe again I want to print the 15 table. Wherever I have a 10, I want to replace with 15 or 16. Yes, everything. Now then how to do this one?
We
I
need to
want to
replace
print
5.
in this style. I want to print it. Okay,
5 with
16 means
we have to multiply with the T input.
I mean 10 means excellent, sir. I mean, but here you are correct. T into y. You are trying to say T into 1, T into y. Am I right? T is nothing but
Yes.
line number 2 input variable. I is nothing but 0 to 0 to 0 to
10.
10.
10.
See, if I am providing any number 12, 12 result only I am getting. No. Okay, result is fine, but I want to print this style. This is my requirement.
Okay.
How the
In the
table
print
book will
we
have.
need to write.
This one I am commenting. Sir, I am writing something. Print. First, which one I want to print? 16. 16 means what is the way? Which variable having 16?
T variable.
T.
T. Then after which symbol?
Multi.
Comma.
Into symbol.
Star.
Into X. X is fine. X character is fine.
Yeah.
Character. Character. Comma. Comma area. What we will get in the result? What we will get in the result?
Yes.
Space.
What we
New
will
line.
get in the result? Space. Space.
New line.
Space.
Space.
No. Space. 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 Space.
Or
Okay.
structure in null.
Next. 16. This
I
is nothing
value.
but 16. Here, comma means space. X
Comma.
area X. Next, comma. 1,
I
2,
value.
3, 4.
I.
I.
No, we need to give a symbol equals.
First, we
What
need
should
to
I
store
write?
Comma.
the value of T and I multiplication. Then we need to pass.
Equal symbol.
So, up to this area I am getting, sir. Now, how to get 1, next time 2, next time 3, next time
I. It's going to I. It's going to I.
I
I.
plus
I.
I plus
I.
I.
If I write the I first iteration time space, 1 will come. Next, comma, equal operator. Correct or not? Then what should I write here? Then what is the result? T into I.
Into I. Into I.
T into I. Okay. Now closely observe this explanation. First time, user will provide some number that will be loaded into T variable with 16. 16 table user want to print. This is just a comment line. I didn't explain to you how to create the comment line. Just ignore it. So this range, what is the values it will generate? 0,
One.
sorry,
One.
not 1 to
If
10 minus 10
1,
minus 10. 10.
1 to 10 simply 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, every number between 1 to, not between, from 1 to
10.
10. First time, which value will be loaded in the sequel order?
One.
1. 1.
So I value will be loaded with 1. See, print T 16, comma, space, X only character or star symbol, comma, space,
I. I.
I value is 1,
I value is 1.
One.
One.
One for
One.
first time.
comma, space,
Is equal
equal
to
operator. It is a string. It is a string, just a string. Product of T into I.
16. 16.
16 to
16.
16 into S. 16 to S. 16.
Yes. Next time what will happen? Next second
2.
iteration
2.
time,
2.
range
2.
will give to
2.
you
16 into 2.
value 2 here. I value 2. See again 16 space X here 2 will become 16 to the 32. Now tell me, sir, will it work?
It will work. It will work.
Yes.
Even this one is mandatory and is if I am not providing plus 1, will it work? Is it
It
mandatory?
will work. It's a default one.
No. No. Default by one.
Even if I am not providing 1, will it work?
It will work. It will work.
But starts from
take from 0.
0.
Zero.
I mean 16 zeros like that. It will.
Not like that. We are not 11. 11.
Simple or not? See how
Na-
just to
na-
matter of 3 lines of code.
Naka, actually, I have one more doubt here. Here, we is taking is 11 as n value.
By default, if you are providing that is the end value.
Okay. Okay.
See, if you are only provide 3 syntaxes are available. Just closely observe the 3 syntaxes. First one,
Start value, end value, unend step.
If you are only providing that is will be end. If it is end, what is the default values? You can check this one.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Naga. Thank you, Naga.
Now come to
Uh,
length function. Yes. Yes, sir.
Sir, if we put value of I is equal to some number, then what will be output?
Now tell me, sir, y equal to
I is equal to some number. And
where I should write I equal to something. Please, can you elaborate that one? Where I should write I is automatically loaded with every iteration by the range function. It's a temporary variable left side of the in keyword.
so I is a function of range.
I is a temporary variable in the for each loop from the iterable object. Nothing but more than one value is there here. Every time one value will be loaded here.
So it is a default.
No, you can take any temporary variable. This is a syntax. You inside left side temporary variable, right side iterable object.
Okay, means if we took any variable here, it will be like
It will
a
be like a
um,
not only I, you can write it get also. Just not outside.
okay. It will be a temporary variable in this statement.
Yes. See, now that
Hey
is
Naga,
working.
I am getting a lot of people.
I mean, they are unmuting, they're asking their doubts. I am requesting everyone after your query, please you can mute and others can easily. Why? Because they are following the recorded sessions. Right? Okay. Please, after your query, definitely. Maximum you can use the chat box. 100% I will read and I will give that answer. Just this is a one. But because it's an interactive session, this is a one problem definitely we will get. Better to attend there is any noise in background of while you are attending the session, that is a problem. If you are sitting in a special room, there is no issue even if you unmute something. If you are sitting into the between the children, like this is the issue. But try to, I will maximum, I will, if
But we are
okay
getting
now come
sometime
back.
lagging between screen and your voice.
That is depends on your network only. I have a very good network, sir. That is depends
No,
on your network.
my network is also good.
No, for us
Then
is fine. For us is fine.
that is a okay. See, yesterday we used one string also here. Am I right? Yesterday we used one string. Are you accept this one? Length function will work with this. Length function will work with this. I mean, a equals to. Come on, a equals to. Is it correct one? Is it correct one? Now, can I use the total result is loaded here? Will it work? Will it work or not?
Will work.
You work.
Absolutely, yes. Absolutely, it will work. A is a iterable object. A is a iterable object. How can you say iterable object? Length function is working or not? Just to give me that a simple answer.
Yes, work.
So, what will happen if you take index number 0, first element, index number 1, like one by one, you are manually doing here, na? So every time one character here directly you can write the string here also. A is a iterable object. More than one value is loaded in the form of index. One value will come, next value will come. That's all. Today I am using in that area. Numbers purpose, only number purpose, only integer number purpose. I am using range of 4000. 4000 means starts from 0 to 3
3009.
999. Okay, fine, sir. This printing is fine. Next, I have some questions. Length function is working, so I have some questions. The questions are, I'm just using the output, stopping the output, control. I'm writing range of 10. Range of 10. I mean, which one will be loaded into a variable 0 to 9. Index will work or not?
It will work.
Index will work.
Yes, works.
Best example I will take. 20 to 30 or 31. See. Okay. Next question. Index is working. Any index. C of -2. 30, 29. From back end side, right side to second element. 20 to 31 means 30. Start and end. And you are not providing the end number. You are not providing the step positive direction. Yes. Now the second question, slicing will work.
Okay.
Slice. No.
C equals to, one more time I am writing, range of 20 comma 31. I am printing. So first of all, see that C values 20, 21, 22. 1 second, I will use some magic. You don't worry about this one, sir. When we will enter to the advanced concept, there I will explain. This is your C equal to range of 20 to 31. Sir, now my question is, slicing is working or not? If it is working, what is the values it will print?
0, 1, 2, 22 and 22, 23, 24, 24.
End. I am not providing any step. I am not providing. The default value is 1. I think everything is clear about this slicing. Start, end, step. Positive direction is a -1. Backward direction is a +1. 2 to 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Index 2, index 3, index 4. Am I right? But end will be excluded.
-1.
22, 23. Your step number also 1. Yes, range of 22 to 24. Sir, don't include the 24. What is the result if I execute this one? If I execute range of 22 to 24, what is output? See, 22 comma 24. What is the output? What is the point? Yes.
22, 23.
Yes. Here seems to be 24, but 24 will be excluded. Next question, sir. Next question. Yes. What is the output we are going to get? 1 second. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Index number 9, this one. Which direction this is?
Negative.
Reverse
Reverse direction.
This one. So end number should be right side. Sorry, left side.
Yeah.
3 is there. Index number 3. 0,
Yes.
1,
Yes.
2, 3. So direction.
Minus reverse. Two-step reverse.
No. It's a, what is the end number? 3 index is there. End will be excluded or included? Negative.
Excluded.
Minus 2, no? Minus 2, minus. Plus or opposite operation?
3 plus
Opposite
1,
operation.
4, sir.
4. 4 means this one. First print 29, next 27, next 25,
23,
next,
5.
next. That's all. What is the output you are expecting? 25 comma 24 or 29 comma
29,
27, 27.
29, 27, 25.
No. Okay, how the output will come? Okay, you are correct. 29, 27, 25. This is correct one. 29,
range of 29, 20,
29,
23.
23 will be excluded only. Now, why you are adding that?
It will print the range, but the values 29, 27.
Simple. Correct or not? This will be excluded or not? Sorry, I mean +1. Negative direction means +1. Is it clear, sir? This output is clear, everyone?
Yes.
See,
Yes.
+1 means 24. 29 to 24. But what is the step number? 29.
-2.
There 2, from there to, from there to. Sir, please work on the reverse or negative direction. A positive, everyone will explain and it is easy. Everyone can easily understand. Negative one. So today you are going to get 5 questions, sir. Definitely today you are going to get 5 questions on range. Okay, next one. Item assignment will work. Actually, it's a sequential data. C is there. C of index number 2, 22. Yes. Will it work? If I write 30, will it work? 39, will it work? Actually, step should be
No,
same
no.
every number. If it works, if you say yes, see, actually there is a 20, here is there. My plan is instead of 22, I'm writing 39. What is the basic rule? Plus 1 is following. If I write 39,
Yes.
plus 1 is there. See, by default, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. I'm trying to start change. Index number 2, this one, here I'm copying, I'm going to assign some number 39. If it is, will it work or not? If works, everything is correct.
Yes, it will work.
If it works, what is the step number here to here? 1. But is it same step number 1 is there here? If it works, step number 1 is there here. 21 to 39, instead of if it is says yes, 39 will come to and sit in this area. Is it following the basic rule? 20,
No.
21, 39 is there. Is it correct? 39 is correct. Plus 1 approach is there.
No.
21
No.
to 39 plus 1 or more than plus 1?
More than plus one.
Now tell me, will it work or not? Assignment will work or not?
No.
Range object does not support item assignment. Why? Because standard sequence database, no one order is there. Plus 1 to the before number, then we will get the after number. Now finally give the conclusion. Is it mutable or immutable?
Immutable.
Changes are not possible, immutable, similar to string. Right? So only to generate the numbers we will use the range function. Right? Today you will get some 5 questions just to solve it. Sir, is there everything is clear in this today's session?
Sir, small doubts, sir. Can you explain the what's mutable and immutable, please?
Changes are possible. Any one of the item. I mean, everything is one item. Here, everything is one item. One value is a one item.
Yeah.
After creation, in the same address location, changes are possible. That is a mutable. Changes are not possible. It is immutable. Is a fixed. Whatever the first time you are creating, that is a fixed one.
Okay.
Your changes are not possible. From
So
list only
immutable.
immutable.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Still, is there any questions about the range? So you
Yeah,
have to
means
complete
for sequential data type we have everything should be in a order.
should be ordered. Yes, sequential. That's why this category belongs to sequential. Sequential data type. Sequential data type. The topic name is only sequential data type. These all are sequential data types only. Even STR also.
Okay.
Right, sir? So please complete today's assignment. Interesting questions you are going to get. And we will meet tomorrow with one more beautiful data type list. And one more thing, as of now, I didn't use any function dir. Dir not yet used for all these 7 data types, 7 or 6.
So list type of sequential data type or list data type.
Tomorrow we will see that.
Okay.